Hey guys, welcome back. Mr. Premier with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys my drop experience with the UNC to Chicago Jordan 1s. But before we get into that, I want to invite you guys to my Discord server. It's completely free. It just gives you information on drops and alerts, and it's just so I can help you guys, so think of joining. So off the bat, resale wasn't looking great for the UNC to Chicago's, so I thought it would be more on the easier side to cop these, but I probably shouldn't have thought that because they were a lot harder to cop than I thought. To start off the drop, I went for them on Hibbett and Kith using Eve. Now I've never ran for a shoe on Hibbett before, but it loaded out of stock or went instantly out of stock. I'm not really sure what happened there. As for Kith, I initially thought that my cook group gave me the wrong early link because nothing picked up, but the mistake was actually on my part because I messed up something with the sizes because the shoes were in women's sizes, so I'm pretty sure that's where I messed up. But the good thing is, next time when there's a women's shoe, I'll know what to do. After Kith and Hibbett, I started my footsite tasks. I don't have the recording, but all I got were so many errors and stuff, probably because of my proxies. I had rented out Project Destroyer for that drop, and they did disappointingly bad compared to how they usually perform on drops like these. The bots that did do well were Whatbot, Cyber, and TKS. Eve was also able to get a decent amount of checkouts. So initial drop was an L, but part of the drop are usually cop is restocks, and it was no different this time. On Eve, I was getting add to cart unsuccessful like usual. This just means there's a cart hold, you just gotta keep on trying. But finally my luck came through and I was able to check out a size 11 as well as 2 Carter climbs, which I'm not sure why that happened. Overall, I was glad to cop a pair. Also, the size I got was one of the better sizes resale wise. I probably could have done better if I used a better bot, but I think I just got unlucky using Project Destroyer, which did not do well in this drop. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, join the Discord, and goodbye.